In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a video in Framer in a simple, beginner-friendly way. If you're building a portfolio, landing page, product page, or any modern website, adding a video can instantly make your design feel more professional and engaging. And the best part is, Framer makes this process really easy. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Framer tips and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Framer project. Once you're inside the editor, you'll want to add a new element to the page. To do that, click the plus button, which is the insert menu in Framer. This is where you can search for different components and elements to place into your design. In the search bar, type video and then select the video element from the list. After that, drag the video element onto your page and place it wherever you want the video to appear. You can position it inside a section, align it with other content, or make it the main focus of your layout. Once the element is on the page, click on it to open the settings in the right-hand panel. Now you'll see the video options in Framer. The next step is to upload your video file. In the right panel, click Upload, then choose the video file from your computer. For best results, it's usually a good idea to use an MP4 file, since that format is widely supported and works well for web playback. After the file uploads, you can configure how the video behaves on your page. If you want it to play automatically, turn on autoplay. If you want the video to keep repeating, enable loop. And if you want the video to play without sound, which is especially useful for background or hero videos, turn on mute. These settings are really helpful depending on the style of video you're creating. For example, if you're adding a background video to a landing page, autoplay, loop, and mute it are usually the ideal combination. But if you're adding a product demo or a tutorial video, you may want to leave some of those options off so viewers can control playback more naturally. So think about how the video fits into your design before finalizing the settings. Once your video is uploaded and your settings are adjusted, it's time to test everything. Click Preview to see how the video looks and behaves on your live page. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that the video loads properly, plays the way you want, and fits the layout correctly. If anything looks off, go back and adjust the size, placement, or playback settings until it feels right. You can also make sure the video is visually balanced with the rest of the page content. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in the final result. When you're happy with the preview, the last step is to click Publish to apply the changes to your site. Publishing makes the video live so visitors can see it on your Framer website. And that's it. You've successfully added a video in Framer. This is one of the easiest ways to make your site feel more dynamic and engaging, whether you're creating a personal site, client project, or startup landing page. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Framer tutorials, and stay tuned for more simple step-by-step website design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.